Under disruptive, it is the individuals who have intermediate characters are going to be selected against. Because here, under disruptive, the environmental conditions keep changing from one extreme end to another. Like an example, this month you find when it is very cold, it means when it is very cold, the individuals of long far, the ones who are going to be selected for, are we together? Then you find the next month of October, it is very hot, very cold, very hot. It keeps on alternating. We don't have average temperatures. It means when it goes to hot, the long ones will be selected against, the short one will be selected for. When it goes to cold, the short ones will be selected against, the long ones will be selected for. At the end of it, after a long period of time, you'll find our graph like this. You'll find our graph like this. When we don't have any extreme, when we don't have any intermediate, when intermediates, all intermediates have been selected against. When you have now two species, those ones with the long and those ones with the short, because the environmental conditions, our selection pressure keeps on coming from extreme to extreme, very cold to very low. These months, it is very cold, like to 10 degrees Celsius. Next month, after 2 months, you find when it is very hot, we don't have intermediate temperature there. It means the individuals with intermediate character will be selected again. Therefore, under disruptive selection, selection pressure favors individuals with extreme characters and eliminates intermediates. Eliminates intermediates. Therefore, we are going to have such, after a given long period of time, we shall have now our graph like this, having people with the short being many, and those ones with the long or very long many, but those ones with intermediates average are not there. Now, I'm going to ask a question. According to the graphs I have drawn after the selection has occurred, which type of variation does disruptive natural selection lead to? Continuous, discontinuous? Hands
It
up.
leads to a discontinuity.
Which type of? Yes, Okello?
It leads to a discontinuous.
It leads to a discontinuous one. Because we have those ones short and discontinuous, there is a clear-cut difference. Therefore, one effect of disruptive selective natural selection is that it leads to discontinuous variation because it will eliminate intermediates. Therefore, we get two distinct groups, categories of individuals, because our environmental conditions keep on changing from side to side. Have you understood that? Have you understood that?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now you write these questions. You write these questions. These are sample questions for revision. Mark, looking at them, you can write them down, you take a pic, you send on my WhatsApp. Not in your WhatsApp group, I will not go there to look for the work. You can put it on, you can inbox me when it comes to such things. Because I'm used to you. On your WhatsApp group, you put there some photos when you're calling people to play football and netball, go to gym and eat food. Therefore, I don't have data for that. Yeah, send that to my inbox. Therefore, that question we add to the other question. This is question 2. This is question 2. Saying A, define the following. The following. Roman 1, natural selection. natural selection. Roman 2, selection, pressure. B, describe the role of natural selection. C, describe the different forms of natural selection. Those are the questions. Define the following: natural selection, selection pressure. B, describe the role of natural selection. C, describe different forms of natural selection. I want to end the meeting. Any question? Okay, nice time. I'm not seeing any hand up. It means we are together. Nice time. We meet.